Want to talk for Jamaican men, and the reason why I want to talk for Jamaican men and this topic is because Jamaican men are among the most insecure man. Yes, I just said the big top man, Jamaican man, are among the most insecure man in the world. Caribbean man overall and black man overall are the most insecure. I'm going to tell you why. Alright, listen to this. If a man creates something in a workplace within 5 to 10, 15 years there, and it's very important and integral to that place there, you will always hear that man be introduced as Mr. James or Mr. Harry. He's the one that created this, he's the one that engineered this. The credit that he gets for doing that, it never changed. You know why? Because that thing stands forever. Within the home, a Jamaican man is only rated on the base that he's actually at the moment. So if last year you find every